Hey everyone, in today's video you're going to be watching me install a dual piston caliper on my driver front brake system. Now if you don't know why I'm only installing one caliper, make sure to check out my last video. The video will be in one of these caption cards. I'm not exactly sure which one on what side, but yeah, definitely make sure to check out that video and then come back for this one. And then also the reason why I'm making an intro right now is because I'm getting my vehicle ready for my new motor. It came in yesterday. There's a lot of stuff I'm trying to get done, so I'm not necessarily making a video per each thing. I'm just recording along the way, and then when I go through editing, I'm seeing what I can make into a video in itself. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, but real quick before I get started, the end of the video, as you can see I have my SoCal Z shirt right here. SoCal Z is actually a club I'm part of, as well as one of my sponsors for my vehicle, and we have a website called SoCalZ.net. It's in the description of every one of my videos. If you need any parts for any one of your Z's, definitely click on that description, check it out. We have a whole bunch of parts on there for sale. And then also, if you use my promo code, it'll be down there. There's going to be information on discounts using my promo code. So yeah, let's get to the video. But now we have dual piston calipers on both sides of the front. So that's great. So now we don't have a dual on one side and a single on the other. Can't believe that was on my car, but we're fixed now, so that's great. Yeah, I'm just gonna tighten up my spacer, throw my wheel on, and then drop the car down and look at the height of it. Make sure that I can drive it on the streets without crashing, because it's too low. I don't think it will be. I think we'll be good, but gotta double check. Motor comes in tomorrow? Nope, 2 days. Motor comes in 2 days. 2 days. So, excited for that.